Hi there, so just a very quick minute with Melissa and to ask you if your working day, your working environment, how it unfolds day by day, week by week, is it conducive to your overall health and well-being? So whether you are working from an office environment or maybe you're still working from home, how is your day set up? How does it unfold? Are you taking regular breaks? Are you getting up from your desk, away from your screen, and moving around? And are you staying connected with your work colleagues? It's so easy for us to attend meetings maybe and take our screens off, or just drop them an email. And part of being part of an organisation is actually being connected with our colleagues. So why not video call them, have lunch with them, do something like that, or have a spontaneous meeting and stay connected with your colleagues. So think about how your day's unfolding, think about those flexible boundaries, ensuring you're having some downtime too, not answering, looking at those emails too early or too late in the day or so you get some sleep. Take care, look after yourselves and look after each other, and catch up soon.